Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is an 82 Fleetwood with less than 6,600 miles, always garage kept. It looks like a brand new car. It drives like a brand new car. You're gonna have a blast checking this one out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna get it up on the lift and we're gonna show you how beautiful the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that fuel injected power plant. We're gonna look at that beautiful interior. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Cadillac investment. So come on up and we're gonna fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. The chrome's looking sweet. The paint is all original, slick as can be. Like I said, less than 6,600 miles, lived indoors its entire life. Look at all that chrome on the front, beautiful. The silver is looking slick as can be too. And look down the side of this long, beautiful car. This thing is beautiful. Now, Grandpa always had a Cadillac for Grandma when I was a kid. He always had an Oldsmobile. Grandma always had a Cadillac. And check this one out. Look at that beautiful interior. The carpeting still looks brand new. All the dash looks brand new. The dash pad, the steering wheel, the wood grain, whatever it is on the dash is looking great. And check out this back seat too. She is beautiful. All the door jambs look great. Everything about the car, beautiful. Very, very well kept. Look how clean everything is. I mean, it looks like a brand new car, which it is. Only 6,600 miles. And I believe there's, yep, trunk release in the glove box there. All right, so the key has to be on for that button in the glove box to work. And then look inside here. Man, looks brand spanking new. I don't think there was ever even any groceries in this trunk. Look at all this, all the gutter work and around all the edges. See how clean everything is? I don't know if this car ever spent a day outdoors in its life. And then it's got that screw down. You just drop it and you see it screws it down tight. You look down the side of it here, she's looking beautiful. The car is amazing. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we bring in between 45 and 50 new cars every month. And I'm involved in buying every one of those cars. And what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience helping you pick out your dream car. Now we do have 225 cars in stock and we are not consignment dealers. We own all of our inventory, guys, so check us out. All right, let's go for a ride in the Cadillac. 1982, look at that, I haven't touched the wheel yet, going straight as an arrow. Now this is a low mileage car, 6,589 miles. It's luxury car day here at Vanguard. We just got done doing a Mark V that only has 548 miles on it. Here in a minute, we're gonna do a one owner 1960 Cadillac 4-door hardtop. I tell you what, we're having fun today. We got the air conditioning on. It's about 90 degrees out and we're driving a Cadillac. This thing is sweet, guys. I tell you what, this was very, very well kept throughout the years since 1982. That's a year after I graduated high school. That was eons ago. This thing is very well kept. The bottom side of it's beautiful, under the hood's beautiful. The interior's gorgeous. It's got great paint on it, great interior. You're gonna love it when we park this dream in your drive. Now, we can ship it anywhere in the world, so call Tom at 248-974-9513. We can also finance it. give him a call. It takes about a 15-minute phone call with the banker, and we'll get you financed on this Cadillac, and we'll get this dream parked in your driveway. Now look down here on the dash. All the wood grain's looking great. All the dash pad and everything looks good. The gauges all look like they're working. And I always loved this one as a kid. Climate control, man. Set the temp for whatever you want. I know everybody's got that in their car today, but in 1982, that was some cool stuff. Just amazing. I tell you, everything about the car is cool, guys. Even listen to this horn. Sounds like a freight train, doesn't it? I love it. We'll go out here and I tell you, it makes you want to go on vacation driving this car. It's like, where do you want to go? Let's go for a ride. I'm good for about 700 miles in this baby. She's sweet. Now, we're right outside of Detroit, real close to the airport, so if you'd like to fly out and check out the car in person, we'd love to have you. Now, about 95% of our customers buy sight unseen, but we do love visitors. If you want to send an inspector, no problem with an inspector either. We'll treat an inspector just like we'd treat you. You want to get it up in the air and check out the underside. You want to look under the hood, whatever you want. If you want some additional pictures of the car, like you want to picture this at one spot, call Tom, he'll get it for you. Now we're about to do something that nobody else in the industry does. We're going to put this car on the lift and we're going to show you the bottom side of the car. Then we're going to pop the hood and we're going to show you what's going on under the hood. We're going to show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Cadillac investment. So stick with us. We're going to get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this 82 Cadillac now, and you can really tell low mileage car here. Look how beautiful even the trunk floor is, the frame, the bushings, the drop downs. Now it does look like somebody's probably put a new exhaust system on. It was probably ugly. I don't know, this may be the original, but I doubt it. I bet this has been replaced. Even though the muffler looks original, I tell you, it very well could be the original exhaust system. Of course, it's got the stock rear end that came from the factory, and look at these floorboards. They're beautiful. It does have drum brakes on the back. Those are stock from the factory too. These floorboards look just like they were out of the factory, guys. Gorgeous. It does have the correct catalytic converter on it. And it does have a 200 R4, that's a 4-speed automatic trans. The more I look at this exhaust system, I think this is probably the original exhaust system for the car. We've got disc brakes up front. Everything's looked nice and clean under here. Again, super well kept throughout the years. This is one gorgeous Cadillac, guys. I believe, if I'm right, it's about 6,000 some odd miles on the car. Just beautiful. The chrome on the bumper looks good. She's gorgeous, guys. Let's look at wheels and tires. All right, we got the wires on here, man. The Cadillac wires. Look at that Cadillac emblem, looking great. 225, 75, 15s on some wide whites. Now, these are American classics, so these tires have probably been replaced. They do have a little bit of age on them. I suggest if you were going to drive this car a lot, you'd put a new set of tires on here. Let's look at the rear. All right, out back here, again, good looking hubcaps here, and we got 225, 75, 15s. And again, look at that chrome. Beautiful. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, it looks brand spanking new. Of course, power brakes, air conditioning, power steering. It's got the original motor, of course. It's the 4.1 liter. Everything's super clean under here. All the wiring, the hoses, everything about the car looks showroom new, guy. She's a Cadillac. She's a 1982. It's low mileage. This thing is beautiful, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.